Imagine a national election where hundreds of millions of people cast a ballot. In the old days, finalizing those results took days, sometimes weeks. Boxes of paper ballots were shipped on trucks, counted by hand, and prone to accidents. But today, technology is radically changing the game. We are moving from clipboards and paper to biometrics, automated data pipelines, and instant verification. How can a modern democracy collect millions of votes and show accurate, finalized results on your phone just hours after the polls close? Let's break down the tech behind the modern ballot. The best use of technology in an election is how we verify data before it starts. It all boils down to biometric voter registration. In the past, the biggest source of election fraud was ghost voters, people using fake IDs or dead people. Modern election tech solves this using fingerprint and facial recognition. Unique physical traits are mapped to a secure national database. You can't duplicate a thumbprint. Deduplication algorithms sweep through millions of registry files in seconds, instantly flagging and deleting duplicate profiles. Centralized cloud infrastructure means moving regional registry systems into a unified, encrypted cloud server. A voter who moves cannot register twice. Because the data is clean at the start, the election day, chaos drops by 90%. But how do we get final numbers so fast? The magic happens through optical mark recognition and electronic results transmission systems. Voters slide their ballots into an electronic scanner at the polling station. The scanner uses artificial intelligence and image recognition to read marks instantly. Once polls close, the machine does not wait for a truck. It uses an encrypted cellular or satellite network to transmit the digitized tally sheet directly to national headquarters. Hand counting 1,000 ballots can take 4 hours. An optical scanner can process and transmit those same votes in less than 15 minutes. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. Countries like India and Brazil utilize electronic systems to deliver verified results on the very same night. But wait, is it completely foolproof? Not quite. As tech scales, so do the threats like distributed denial of service attacks. Generated misinformation and deepfakes mean that while the data inside the machines might be secure, the minds of the voters are constantly targeted. This is why top-tier frameworks use a hybrid approach, digital counting speed backed up by a physical, auditable paper trail. Technology has turned election data collection into a highly optimized digital pipeline. It makes the process simple, secure, and finalized in record time. What do you think? Would you trust a fully digital internet vote, or should we always keep a physical paper backup? Let me know below. In the heart of modern democracy, a silent revolution is occurring. Record-breaking turnouts are no longer just about feet on the ground. Technology has become the backbone of modern elections, driving transparency, efficiency, and a new era of civic engagement. For centuries, democracy relied on paper and ink. Counting was a manual, painstaking process, often prone to human error and delays. Today, electronic voting machines and sleek tablets have replaced the old ways, making registration and the act of voting faster than ever. Behind the scenes, data collection has transformed. Information now flows through secure networks, providing instant, accurate statistical sampling. We can now analyze social media sentiment in real time. Heat maps show us the pulse of the nation, reflecting the public's concerns instantly. Technology also ensures inclusivity. Screen readers and assistive tech empower disabled voters to exercise their rights independently and privately. Security remains the top priority. Advanced encryption and biometric verification protect every single vote from potential interference. However, these advancements come with risks. Cybersecurity threats and hacking simulations remind us that digital systems must be constantly guarded. We must also bridge the digital divide, ensuring that every community, regardless of their location, has equal access to these democratic tools. Look at Estonia, a global leader in e-voting. Their system allows citizens to vote from anywhere, proving that a digital-first democracy is possible. The future holds even more promise. Blockchain technology could create unalterable records, while I predict logistics to improve the voter experience. Ultimately, technology is a tool. Our duty is to use it to safeguard democracy, ensuring transparency and trust for generations to come. Follow Tech in Minute for more insights into the intersection of tech and society. Subscribe, like, and share to stay ahead of the curve.